It's so much louder.
Buzz up all the beamers, call me Dennis Rodman. Slam down pussy while this old school beat got me bumping. Drizzy overrated, I'ma tell that homie jump, man. Taking over, yo, hit me with that contract.
Alright, y'all, so as you can see, I have 3 different packages right here, as well as that light bar. So I have plenty of content coming up for you guys this week and next week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and hit that little bell because it's gonna make a really cool sound. No, I lied about that. It's not gonna make a cool sound, but it will alert you whenever I post new videos. That light bar one, I still have to make some time to install it. I'll do it as soon as possible. I'm hoping to do it by in 2 weeks. And also, these 3 packages, I am not gonna reveal them just yet because it wouldn't be very fun. I'm gonna make you guys wait a little bit. You'll find out what they are. And so to make it a little bit fun, I'll let you guys choose which mod you want me to do next. So this one's gonna be 1, 2, 3. Leave a comment below and let me know which one you want me to do first. So like I said, 1, 2, 3. Also, leave a comment below and try to guess what these mods are gonna be. They're all really cool and I can't wait. They're all really gonna, so all I'm gonna say is that all 3 of these mods, they're really gonna make my truck more practical. But I mean, you can kind of see the wires right here, so you might be able to guess what that one is. But yeah, like I said, just it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna totally leave it up to you guys to let me know which mod that I should do next. So we got 4 mods coming up. Hopefully I'll do each mod for each video in the next week or 2. If you didn't know already, I'm posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And sometimes if I have a lot of content, I'll squeeze something in on Saturday. So it's gonna be 3 videos per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so that way you know that I posted something. I do wanna do a giveaway, just don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I think I'm gonna try to talk to maybe McTuning and see if they wanna help me out doing a giveaway. Because I mean, who doesn't want rock lights or a light bar? So if you want like free rock lights, give it a thumbs up so that way I know you guys like the idea. If I get over, let's say 300 likes, then I will either purchase the rock lights myself or do like a joint giveaway with McTuning and I'll do a rock light giveaway. Alrighty, so if you guys didn't know already, I have Diamond Eye 5-inch, oh, water's dripping on my camera. So I have the 5-inch straight pipe made by Diamond Eye exhaust. And what I have to do is just get rid of this part right here, this little piece. And in order to do that, the water keeps dripping, so I don't want to go under it. But all I have to do is remove it from this little attachment right here, and there's a clamp that's holding this pipe together, and all I have to do is just undo that pipe, and hopefully it'll slide out. But my biggest concern right now is that when I install these exhausts, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to tighten up the clamp so tight that it squeezes the pipe. So that's how it connects all the pieces together. And I'm just kind of scared that I tightened it too much, that I'm not going to be able to take it off, and I might just have to cut it, and I just really don't want to cut it. Of course, it's starting to drizzle, and this water keeps dripping on my pants. Anyway, so we are under the truck, and what you're going to do is remove these bolts, loosen up the clamp, and then, or clamps, and then just take this piece out, and then we're gonna put the tip right here. That's really it. Hopefully it goes as smooth as I plan to, but you know how it is. So one cool thing is that I got rid of my spare tire that used to be right here, so I can literally just sit under my truck. And I'm about 5'8", 5'9", so I have decent amount of headspace right here. And it's just gonna make my job a little bit easier. It is sprinkling, so it sucks. Of course, it would sprinkle as soon as you decide to work on your truck. But I got the clamps loosened up a lot easier than I expected, because they're all rusted out. So I thought it was gonna be like pain in the butt. I thought I was gonna have to spray like WD-40, but I didn't have any. I was like, oh crap, now I gotta go out and go get some WD-40 and whatnot. But they came loose right away, so that's a good sign.
To the rescue, rescue,
Got this little piece off, and we're just left with this piece, and that's where I'm gonna put the tip. It took about 45 minutes. Alrighty, ladies and gents, this is the finished product. All I have to do is tighten up the nut right here. That is it, and I will start up the truck. I'll show you guys what it sounds like, and I'll probably drive around the block, maybe go to Kroger or something. But I am gonna have to wait until it stops raining, because of course it wasn't supposed to rain. But when you decide to work on your vehicle, the Mother Nature decides that, hey, I think I'm gonna rain today. All right, so I'm about to start my truck. There she is. Looks pretty darn good. But before I start this truck, I want to talk about something. So it looks like my roommate changed his oil. I mean, that's perfectly fine. My question is, why do you need a butter knife? And how do you break it while changing your oil? Nobody will ever know. But let me go start this bad boy up, and we'll drive around to Kroger, and we'll come back. It's so much louder. Alright, let's go for a drive. Alright, let's go! Alright, so I'm sure somebody's probably gonna ask why I didn't just axle dump it in the first place? And the answer is, I honestly didn't like the way they looked until, I don't know, recently. And so I just wanted to go with like your traditional, you know, just your pipe sticking out over there. So my thought process was, I can just have it like, you know, your traditional exhaust setup where it dumps by your bumper. And I was like, maybe I'll just axle dump it later. So that's why I went with it. And right now, you can definitely hear the sound just bouncing off the pavement. Yeah. So I'm like driving through the neighborhood, going like 25, and holy balls, I can already tell the difference. All right, ready? It's definitely louder, obviously, because the sound is just gonna bounce off the wall, whereas before it was just exiting by the bumper. But now it's exiting to the ground and it's bouncing up, and it's just gonna rumble a lot more. I got my monsters from Kroger. There's 4 in here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make it last the whole week. I'm gonna try to just drink it when I'm going to work, because I'm really trying to cut down on drinking Monster. But let's go ahead and stir her up. Bum, 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 bum. All right, well, that is it for today's axle dump video. If you came in here just to watch the axle dump video, you're more than welcome to end the video right here. But if you want to continue this vlog, me, John, Richard, and maybe Peter and some of the other guys, we're gonna go eat some burgers. And if you want to come along with us, you're more than welcome to. All right, boys, we have my truck. It's John's truck. He can't park to save his life. And we got 1 slow Beamer and 2 legit to quit. Peter, and he can't park either. Gosh.
I got a thing for that, but like the bolt, one of the bolts was stuck. So I needed it like to angle it so it doesn't move it. So it doesn't move, right? So
You used my butter knife.
yeah, I used the butter knife and broke the damn butter knife.
For the oil change.
No, for brake change.
Brake change.
Brake change.
And you know you're not supposed to be using butter knives.
Hey, I saw your video. It says you butter knives.
Oh, that's true.
So if anybody has blame, it's you.
That's true.
Butter knives. Oh, I saw that yesterday.
No.
The juice.
No?
So we all got duck burgers? Farmhouse. Farmhouse. That's a duck burger, right?
Quack, quack. Quack, quack,
Quack, quack,
quack.
quack.
Take out the thing.
Dang, we told pickle
Are you trying
down.
to eat that too, boy? How's that taste?
It was good.
Good?
What is this?
Just do it.
It's actually really good. It's different. OG.
How is it?
Quack, quack, good.
Quack, quack, good?
Looking more.
Quacking good?
This is African. I got onions.
No. No. No.
There you go. Thank you. Another one.
Another one. Oh, that one.
There you go. Thank you. Another one. Caleb. Thank you. Who's gonna tip him? Caleb. Here you go. There you go.
Last one.
Thank you. Caleb, high five. There you go.